Hey track fans, how you doing? Welcome back. It's a new track and we're looking good on this one. Oh, hello, we've got a new car. This is a VW Passat. Now, I had one of these before for real, but it didn't look anything like this at all. I'd have loved one of these. So, let's get it going and we'll see why we have a rally car on this track. Are you ready? Let's drive. R2, Gambon's R1. Let's see if we can get it going down to Pendle. Up the ramp onto a massive flyover. Look at the size of that. Down the long straight, round that corner into wiggly bends there, into drift circle 1, drift circle 2, back a rack, down the long straight through pole. Got a bit of a crisis in the background here, tripping over things. Up the ramp, round to the high flyover, down the long straight. Oh, a pop of speed there. He loved it. Let's get round and under that bridge. Let's see if we can have an overview on a hammerhead. Bring it round. Oh, kick out there. Let's bring him up the ramp. Watch him as he goes round the high flyover. Down the long straights. I don't want to boot it too fast because I'm watching the race through the video camera and I can never seem to get an idea of real speed ahead of the corners. Oh, we've got to kick out. We've got to kick out. We've got to kick out. Oh, he's milking that wheel spin. Look at that. That was amazing. And we recorded it for a change. Right then, let's go. Let's see if I can have a race. Try and keep this in the peripheral of the camera. So the Passat, for a rally car, is holding really well to the track. I thought it might have been a really drifty car. A bit like the Ford GT GTE. Yes, see earlier tracks for that one. But if you want to see how cars, Scalextrics and Slot Car, ooh, nice kick out, drift, then you definitely want to check out our Track 50, Drifty 50, our celebrations for the bullseye. Yep. That has got all of the previous star cars, all drifting, and a bonus special car for anyone who's not seen. Oh, let's get that wheel spin. Look at that! Yes, he did it again. Love this car. I can't wait for the next time we bring the car out to star on the track, but it is definitely going to be soon. Right, Albert, let's pull it into pole. I'll see you later, track fans. Have a good day.